It's a rainy day today. It is rainy and I'm gonna do some stress relief. So just get a lot of relief out and stress. Come with me. Always spray the area first. See that? Yep. Spray the area first. Matter of fact, let's concentrate on this one right here. So I can show you. Spray the area. I use this. I like these because you can adjust them and turn them. You can have it like a straight line. Spray everything. Or you could do mist. Let's see if I turn it all the way. Turn it some more. See the mist? It's still the line. Let's see, turn it all the way. Spray now? Yeah, it's spraying out. So either way, the line or the spray, you could adjust it. I like it. Just spray the whole area. Like you're going nuts. Just spray it all. I got a penny down there, but we're not gonna concentrate on that part. I'll see you later. We're gonna concentrate on the beige so you can see. Hey, you could use a brush. I like using a brush. And by the way, this is a great stress reliever for me. Here's my oils. Yep, you know that's it. And I'm gonna put some oils on it. But it's a good stress reliever. I mean, you could really get down and scrub a floor, scrub a mat. It relieves stress. If you feel like doing that. If you feel like it. So I'd say the brush worked. It worked. And even in this area, it worked. Good, right? Yeah, much better. But today, I didn't want to do all this working out. And I have bleach in the water, but by the way, it's a kind of a powdered bleach. I just mixed together, so it's harmful. No fumes or anything. Doesn't smell like it's poisonous. It's okay. But say I didn't feel like doing this. Say there's an easier way, which there is. You could take a mop and clean it. And on the mop, you got bleach and your soapy stuff. And just kind of go around with the mop. You could do it like that. Looks like it's coming a little bit clean, right? Yeah. Now you could do it. Right? You could do it like that. Coming clean. It's coming clean. Yes, it's getting it. It's kind of getting it. It's cleaning somewhat, yeah. Make that area soapy, right? What's that? The brush. Afterwards, I go over with a mop just to take any excess water out of it. It was just a mop of clear water. So with the company and the kids and everything, this is clean right now. But this is when I'm feeling myself and don't mind. But say I didn't want to do all this. Say I wasn't feeling myself. Say I wasn't strong enough to do all this. I'm going to show you a different, right there. That's not clean. I'll show you with that. And that's the water from rinsing it. Yuck. Yep, it's much better. Showing the process. This is it after it's dry. But I'm going to put some more oil on it. Directly on it. And then I'm going to wipe it. Because I think it's dirt, but it is mixed with some kind of, I don't know if it's gum or, what these daggone kids done. Or maybe I did it. Maybe it was my shoe. I don't know. That's why I rule of thumb now. I start making people take their shoes off. Well, it's not really making people. If you don't want to take your shoes off, don't come in. That's pretty much what it is. Those are my new rules. And I mix soap with this. That's why it's like that. I put soap in it and then I mixed it with oil. Because that oil, I know oil is for the body. It's for healing. And it's actually a cleaning aid. So I'm going to put it on there. And it's soft. That's what I'm after. That's why I put the oil, because it was rough. But what is so pleasant is the smell. So I'm just going to let it sit on there a little bit. See how it looks. See? It's coming up. Because it was really nasty. It felt like it was gum. Like gum stepped on by a boot or something. I don't know what the hell it was. But that's the result. And I got my water right here. And like I said earlier, this is pneumonia. Whew, it's strong too. Whew. Watch it. Don't put a lot. Because I felt that when I sniffed it. Ooh. This is it. This is how I'm wiping it up. Yeah, I think it's kind of clean. Yeah. Yeah. Push it back and forth. I think that's going to do it. The reason of this mesh is to show you that oil is a cleaning aid. And it does so much more. It heals, cleans, deodorizes, because this smells so good right now. And it's soft and clean. Put a little oil on your carpet. If something is bothering you, oil it. Put some oil on it, on it, on it. I'm impressed. Yes. Not bad.